Hello, thank you for joining me. Let's practice what we just learned, starting with the first line. Pause now to try reading this line yourself, and then read it with me to make sure you got everything right. Let's begin. Na, ne, ni, nu, na. Next line. Si, su, se, sa, sa. Next line. E, I, a, o, e. Next line. Pa, fi, pu, pe, fa. And the final line. San, pan, im, nef, tzatz. How was that? Easy? Hard? Try rewatching this video and this time maybe get more of them right. And if something is not clear about the reason of why it sounds like it, try rewatching the last lesson to get the concepts again. Well done. See you in the next video.